Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add emergency contacts on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on safety and emergency. In the safety and emergency setting page, tap on emergency contacts. In here, the phone will suggest some contacts for you to use. If some of your contacts are already in here, you can tap on the add button. Otherwise, you can tap on the edit button at the top here. And in here, you'll be able to add members to the emergency contacts group. So in here, tap on add member and then go down your phone list app and select a contact that you want to use. Then tap on done. Now you can select one or multiple contacts and then tap on done. And if there is any contact that you want to remove, you can tap on the remove button here. Next, you can tap on the save button. Now at the top here, there is a ringtone that you can set for the group. So if you tap on that, you can choose a ringtone. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the save button. And we have now added the emergency contacts on your Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.